In today's video, we will be going through the top travel essentialities you need for your next trip. And before we get on with the video, guys, make sure to subscribe and like the video and comment down below what edition to go for next, because I'm indecisive and I don't know what to go for next. So guys, please make sure to comment down below what edition to go for next, or else you're not seeing a video for 6 weeks. Anyways, there are 6 stages for every vacation: packing, airport, airplane/airplane, depending on what country you were colonized by, hotel, the fun, aka the stay in the destination, and finally the return back home. And we will be going through all the stages and what essentials you will be needing in each stage. And the links to all the items will be in the description box below in case you want to buy any of it. And more of this after the intro. And starting first with not so fun but essential part of the vacation, which is the packing. Coming up strong on number 1 is a suitcase. Guys, please stick with me till the end. I swear to God, it gets much more interesting than just buying a suitcase. So Amazon has a lot of pretty affordable options out there. If you're traveling solo, this suitcase will be well over enough. It is 30 inches, which is sufficient for a single person. Hard shell, which really goes well these days. You know, you can easily slide around everywhere. More than 25,000 great 5-star reviews and ratings. But if you're not traveling solo, so you're traveling with your friends or partner, this 3-piece set of luggage is pretty much on point. It has a carry-on with it, so 2 luggages along with a carry-on, so you don't have to buy a carry-on separately. It is super expandable, and it is TSA approved, whatever that means. Apparently, people really have a lookout for TSA recognized or approved stuffs, and I'm here just looking for great deals. Maybe. Moving on, many airlines have a pretty effed up system of luggages. So the best thing is to carry a single luggage to avoid any unnecessary hassle at the airport. And a single luggage with tons of space will be well over $150 for sure. Inflation is really skyrocketing, and so the best thing is to buy packing cubes. If you don't know what they are, packing cubes are used to organize and make compartments in your luggage for keeping your clothes, shoes, or any undergarments separate from each other. And they're really popping up on TikTok recently. And not to mention, they do come in a variety of different color combinations. Really cute too as well. But what I would recommend you buying are these vacuum packing cubes, which saves a ton is an understatement again, guys. But yeah, it saves a lot more than a ton of space, so it's a definite must-have. Next up are these silicone bottles for your toiletries. I don't know about you guys, but I grew up in a Middle Eastern household, and while traveling, you know what we used to do? We used to seal the bottle of lotions with tape so it doesn't leak. Yeah, and looking back at it now, I know it was weird, but definitely weird, but we did it until I found out about these silicone bottles. These are a definite space saver, and it really looks good too. It comes in aesthetic colored bottles like these. Okay, so these are the silicone bottles, and these are the flat refillable pouches. Both serve the same purpose, so it's actually up to you which best suits you. Personally, I would go for the silicone bottles, but yet another definite must-have. Next is this toiletry bag to keep all of your makeup stuffs. TikTok has really shoved this down my throat, man. I've seen thousands of people getting this and loving it. So for the travel, of course, you can fit your brushes, hygienic products, and skincare products all in just one bag. Holds absolutely everything. And the fun part is that there's a hook to hang it on the door, so you don't have to use the bathroom space counter. So amazing product. These refillable perfume bottles are total game changers. We can all agree that we have a favorite scent or perfume that we wear all the time, but we cannot take it for a vacation because if you keep it in the luggage, it will break for sure. So that's what makes these bottles so important. These are small, compact, and you can easily just pour it down. You don't have to pour it down, you just have to it and done. I remember before these were a thing, there were mini bottles where you had to pour it down manually. And it was just a big hassle. So these definitely make it way easier, trust me, guys. Coming up next is this jewelry case for your jewelries. You certainly do not want your necklace to be tangled or your rings to be all over the place. So you can instead use this organizer. The best thing about this is I love how compact it is and slim. And it is well over sufficient for all of your like hardcore jewelries. And in case for your tiny, delicate ones, you can get this jewelry organizer. There are 14 compartments and it's way too easy to reach and get whatever you want. An absolute bagger. 10 out of 10. The next major thing that you should have with you on your vacation is a portable charger. I'm not even kidding, guys, but this is simply so important, especially when traveling, because imagine if you're traveling to a country where they don't talk in English or any of the language that you know of, and your phone is dead, and you have no phone around you. Just imagine how you'll be reaching where you want to reach without a GPS or your phone. An absolute nightmare. So please carry these portable chargers with you. So this is why you have to have portable chargers for travel, and not only for travel, to be honest, but everyday life. A popular portable charger called iWalk took the internet by storm because of how mini and useful it was, but unfortunately it was quickly out of stock and hasn't been back in the market for months now. But after hours of scrolling on Amazon, I found this key-like charger, which in my opinion is way better than iWalk. So this is yet another banger. Get this as well. If you're taking your sunglasses with you on your vacation, I mean, who doesn't? So you need this sunglasses organizer, which is super useful to take on your trip. You don't want scratches on your sunglasses, right? So this definitely would stop it. And you can keep about easily up to 5 to 7 glasses in here and just fold it up after. And it looks super, super cute and does not even take much of a space. And the next one is a no-brainer. And let's not even discuss about this. It is a vanity mirror with LED light. Because honestly, everyone knows that the mirror of the hotel sucks. So yeah, just get this. A portable, foldable toothbrush that comes in just for $9.99. Pretty good. This brush holder for your makeup brush and beauty blender holder for your, beauty blender is alright if you want it. But I think it's just, a waste of money, to be honest. But I've seen people on TikTok including it on their travel must-haves. But honestly, it's not that great of a must-have that you can't go without. But like, if you want it, get it. If you don't, alright. Get this though. This clear acrylic makeup bag for your makeup stuff definitely will be useful. By the way, guys, I don't know if I told you this earlier or not, but everything is linked in the description box below. So everything will be down in case you want any things, right? Anyways, this duffel travel bag could be used as a carry-on with you for your travel. Pretty massive, man. There's room for literal everything. So it's a definite must-have. And finally, this fluff laptop bag to keep your laptop safe and sound during the vacation. And it looks super, super cute. Look at the white. It's just beautiful, beautiful. And now we're on to the next exhilarating part, which is the airport. I actually thought there would be no airport finds worth being in the video, but I managed to find 2 things that actually blew my mind. There are more than 2, but the first 2 things actually blew my mind. Blew my mind of how smart the dude who invented it must be. Just hear me out, okay? So the first thing is this luggage scale. Guys, you don't understand how obsessed I am with this scale. If I were to buy anything from this video, I would undoubtedly buy this. Hands down. In a blink of an eye, I would buy this. In our Middle Eastern household, you know how we used to wear our luggage before travel? It goes like this. We first weigh ourselves and then hold on to the luggage after being on the scale and find out how much the luggage weighs. Because in nowhere we're paying $50 for a kilogram. No way. So this scale should definitely be with you for the travel. 100% recommended. So the next mind-boggling thing I found on Amazon were these AirTags. For your luggage, so you don't lose them, simply put the AirTag in your luggage and you'll know exactly where your luggage is at all times through the app. Genius, right? An absolute banger of a product. Get this. And the next important purchase for the airport is a cross-body money belt bag where you can keep your passport, boarding pass, and other important documents that you'll be needing in the airport, just to keep it close and in front of your eyes. You don't want to stress every time you're asked for a boarding pass, every time you're asked for it, right? So definitely get this, and it looks pretty cute. And the final thing on the list is a suitcase cover, so you can avoid your suitcase getting scratches. Because let me tell you, men at customs really throw suitcases around. So you gotta be careful there about it. Now on to the next stage, which is the airplane ride. To be honest, thing about the airplane rides is that you can never know what to expect from it. Either you're gonna have the best air experience or you're seated next to an infant. Literally nothing in between. So please don't be one of those Karens yelling about the babies, and go get these noise cancelling headphones which suspend all the noise around. And these sleep masks, which apparently is a cure for your migraine, and together with the noise cancelling headphones can give you a pretty peaceful sleep while that baby cries. These travel pillow and a blanket to give a little bit of spice to your trip. These AirFly, which connects to your AirPods so you can listen and watch movies on the trip and is an ultimate must-have. I don't know why people don't talk about it enough, but it's like a very good product. Now on to stage 4, the hotel stay. There are a couple of things you have to look out when staying at the hotel, which is especially related to your safety. The most important of which being a door stopper. Something about this door stopper is that if someone tries to push open the door from outside, the alarm will automatically go on and you'll be well aware of it. So this is an important, very important must-have. This travel adapter is very important too, since not all countries have the same power plug, so this travel adapter will certainly be useful. This pill organizer for when you're outside and need to have your pills but don't want to carry the whole medicine box with you. A portable, foldable iron steamer to iron your clothes ASAP when you're on the go. Super easy to work with and would recommend it for sure. A mini razor and full face roller to have with you to simply just look and feel fresh all the time on your vacation. And you can simply use this every day after waking up or before the day's plan. Now we're heading towards the second last stage, which is the fun part of the vacation. So now we're in the destination, done with the unpacking BS there, and now going for the adventure. So I just thought of just 2 things that you have to have. First would be a Polaroid camera, because the best part of the trip is simply holding on to the memories and the fun. So a Polaroid camera is a no-brainer. Just get this. And the next one would be this very TikTok famous tripod. It is 67 inches, taller than me to be honest. Super portable and adjustable, so definitely get this to film a video or a vlog or a travel vlog. Cool. And the last part is the return back home, and what we need for that is just an extension of a tripod and a camera, and that will be a photo printer. Just so you can print all the pictures and pictures you took on the vacation and save them as a memory. A really good purchase. It will be worthy of your money. There goes all of my travel must-have, guys. Hope you liked the video, and if you did enjoy, subscribe and like the video and comment down below your favorite product, because personally mine was the luggage skin, hands down. See you later and take care.